Boy, this thing was trying to get this car wash to work. I had to call the gas station to tell them that it wasn't working until finally, well, obviously it's working now, and Pat thought we were moving because the machine is moving around us, and she thought we were backing up or going forward.
Yeah.
I filmed one on video put it on YouTube once before of going through the car wash. Except that I'm in the driver's seat now and Pat's in the passenger. It's the only difference. And we didn't have the pug with us either. Now we do.
Oh, I see. Those things are moving.
Yeah.
Makes you feel like
we're moving.
We're moving.
Yeah.
What do you think, Puggy? She's looking out the window.
Yeah. The only thing is it doesn't do the inside.
What?
It doesn't do the inside of the car.
Yeah. Well, we'll do till we can get it properly done at a car wash.
Well, I know you had some bird dew on the front end of the car. There was some bird dew, and I
used to take this car every week to the car wash.
Yeah. Your 2006 Honda CR-V used to take every Monday, I think it was, to the car wash. This is a 2018 Honda CR-V with only 7,250 miles on it. Okay, now we get the, well, it's not too bad, two and a half minutes before to do a wash, and then a rinse, and then it'll be the drying part. I wonder if Puggy gets a little, wondering what that is.
What is that, Puggy, huh?
It's like a giant vacuum cleaner coming after you. Because most animals don't like the vacuum cleaner.
She's just looking around.
Yeah.
It's washing the car, baby. It's making the car nice and clean.
On the outside. Yeah, that's what it said.
Oh,
there was definitely the windshield needed to be cleaned, and
definitely.
Yeah, because that was
needed to be clean.
Well, the outside definitely most,
yes.
But the inside still needs it pretty bad as well.
Like I told you, I used to take it every week.
I wonder what the best place would be to mount this so I could do it like these people video.
Well, that wouldn't be a good place to mount
No,
it.
I know. They usually put it like right here in the middle of the between, because it's not obstructing the view.
Yeah.
But they make these special mounts for the devices.
Why would you mount that up there?
Because you never know what can happen, and if you're recording, you catch things that you don't think about. I mean, I wouldn't normally. I don't record too much anymore. I've been doing a lot of screen recordings of games when I've been playing. No, not much live because I'm driving all the time and I can't hold the phone up.
I used to have a videotape. I don't know where it is.
I can't hold up the phone and drive at the same time.
We used to have a videotape recorder.
Well, I have one right here, and you have one on your phone.
No, I don't mean on a phone.
Oh.
I'm talking about a unit.
Oh, you mean a VHS machine?
Yeah.
That's just for watching videos on TV.
No, it was a camera. I'm telling
well, you didn't say that.
That's what I was trying to tell you. A video camera. And Johnny probably took it and sold it for dope.
Okay, I'm ending this video.